Computers are made up of many pieces of hardware working together, the heart of which could be considered the central processing unit, or CPU. As the name implies, it's the center or core for processing information. This is what is being referred to when you hear dual-core 8.3 MHz processor. This technology is constantly growing as we make our computers perform more tasks, and as such, it can be hard to follow. When referring to memory, there are many types. The most common type referred to is physical memory. In most cases, double data rate dynamic random access, or DDR-RAM, is used for physical memory. Memory is the staging area for software as it works with the hardware. It could be viewed as the desk that the software works at to perform a task. The bigger the task, the more space needed. If physical memory is like a desk, then the hard drive is the library. Information is stored in units called folders. The information can be retrieved when needed. Virtual memory is a space set aside on the hard drive to help physical memory. It is important to remember that virtual memory is much slower than physical memory, but will provide an area for the computer to work from when needed. Operating systems, as the name implies, is a system that will allow other programs to operate with hardware. Some of the most common operating systems on the market today are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Microsoft is designed to work with IBM-compatible computers. Mac OS was designed for Apple computers, and Linux will work with either. Computers are designed to help us perform tasks in an easier and quicker fashion. They have gone from huge pieces of equipment that were difficult to use to the size that we can carry in our shirt pocket and that our young children can use easily. They once performed complicated mathematical equations, and now, using more advanced equations, draw intricate pictures to entertain. They once cost millions when that meant a lot more than now, and now are given away when someone signs up for internet service. They have changed a great deal in the last 20 years, and they continue to change. The differences are becoming less. Operating systems like Ubuntu are going to change how software works rapidly. Some of the basics will likely remain. Hardware will still need operating systems to talk to the software. We will need a safe place to keep our data, and someone that can keep it all running.